With over 1 million rounds and counting, the ELiTE Series from EasyGo has revolutionized the electric golf car industry. And now, this proven technology is available in the Cushman Hauler 800 ELiTE, making it the most efficient golf utility vehicle in the industry. Activated by Samsung SDI lithium technology, EasyGo ELiTE vehicles have proven to provide the highest efficiency and lowest operating cost the industry has ever seen.
With the ELiTE fleet, we've noticed a 30 to 40% decrease in our energy bill.
ELiTE Series vehicles are powered by Samsung lithium cells loaded into a single battery pack. By tapping into this cutting-edge technology, these batteries charge in half the time of the leading lead-acid batteries. They also use less energy and require less out-of-wall power to charge.
On a busy day, we're turning this fleet twice to be able to bring them in, rapid charge them back up, and get someone out on the golf course. Those are the bonuses that we were never afforded with the old lead-acid battery technology.
ELiTE Series lithium batteries are significantly lighter than traditional lead-acid batteries, allowing the lightweight vehicle to easily climb and handle hills efficiently. ELiTE Series vehicles also deliver less turf compaction and damage to your course.
They're 300 pounds lighter, which is less wear and tear on the golf course, which at the end of the day, that's our final product. That's what we want to look the best every day.
The game-changing lithium vehicles require no battery maintenance. Lithium batteries don't require watering, terminal post checkups, and cleaning like lead-acid batteries do.
The staff loves it, not having to do battery maintenance every month.
The carts are very clean and self-contained. That alone is cost savings.
Plus, this eco-friendly technology provides zero emissions, making it a greener choice.
Then it dawned on me, hey, this is going to reduce the environmental footprint that Quintero is causing, changing out batteries almost every 2 years at 400 batteries per changeout.
By pairing this technology with an impressive 5-year unlimited amp-hour warranty, ELiTE Series vehicles give you the lowest operating cost in the industry.
As a golf professional, I would definitely recommend to any of my peers the ELiTE golf cart. Why wouldn't you, with a 5-year battery warranty, zero maintenance, and just the quality products?
The ELiTE Series from Textron Golf. Performance proven.